Hi, this is Dr. Jaggi. I'm Director Orthopedics at Max Hospital, Gurgaon. I'm going to talk about myths and facts about total knee replacement. First, I would like to destroy a myth which is going around that a surgeon comes in, feeds the computer and leaves, and the robot or the equipment does all the surgery. That is completely untrue. The surgery is done by the surgeon and his team. The fact now comes into play is that these instruments are designed to help to plan the surgery better and implement the plan which has been made pre-hand. What it results in is we expect quicker healing times, we expect smaller incisions, we expect less blood loss, we expect better outcomes. On these parameters, so far we have not been able to clearly demonstrate that the robotic surgery is better than routine surgery in experienced hands. The second fact which has to be known is that the surgical team has to be extremely trained while using these technologies, because as with all technologies, during the initial stages there is something called as a failure rate, and the technology can stop or can malfunction. At that moment of time, the surgical team, their experience, their expertise comes into play to help finish the surgery. So it's a welcome addition to the armamentarium of the surgeon, where it really helps in the surgery, but patient choice, patient selection, everything comes into play, and it is not a magical treatment which is being promised by some people that a robotic knee is something unique, unusual and is out of the world. These sort of things need to be addressed and facts need to be brought back into the treatment modalities, and that's how outcomes are going to get better and better. But in the end, it is the surgeon and the surgical team which should be there to give the best to the patients, and that's where the outcomes matter. Thank you.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.